The Kehlsteinhaus stands below the Kehlstein Peak at an altitude of 1834 meters on a mountain spur above the Berchtesgadener Land. On a nice day, the distant view is up to 200 kilometers. The Kehlsteinhaus was built between 1937 and 1938 by order of the NSDAP. It was a gift from the party to its leader, the dictator Adolf Hitler. The Kehlstein Road was built especially for the construction of the Kehlsteinhaus. Today, the road is used exclusively by buses of the Kehlstein Linie, which takes tourists from Obersalzberg to the Kehlsteinhaus. The gradient on the Kehlstein Road is up to 24%. From the bus station, a 124-meter tunnel leads to an elevator with a brass-clad cabin. Once at the top of the Kehlsteinhaus, you can enjoy the magnificent panorama in the beer garden. At the time, the Kehlsteinhaus was part of the so-called Viersperrgebiet, a huge area around Hitler's Berghof on the Obersalzberg. This makes the Kehlsteinhaus part of a place where numerous crimes against humanity were planned and ordered. However, it is not known that important decisions were made at meetings in the Kehlsteinhaus. Which was also due to the fact that Hitler did not like the Kehlsteinhaus very much. He was rarely up here. While other buildings in the Viersperrgebiet were destroyed after the war, the Kehlsteinhaus remained undamaged. Since 1952, the Kehlsteinhaus has been used as a restaurant. The net income benefits the district of Berchtesgaden. An exhibition on the Sun Terrace provides information about the history of the Kehlsteinhaus.